Today I'm sharing with you a very simple practice of embodiment. This is womb moon yoga, yoga that helps women to feel free and joyful in their bodies and their relationships. So this practice is a perfect antidote for what's known as monkey mind, when we are feeling there's so much going on and we have so many thoughts. It's very hard to switch to feeling and just being in the body. And it starts by simply placing our hands on our head. And it may feel like, oh, you've got so much going on there, and you just allow yourself to hold all of your thoughts, all of these energies, which could be just constantly moving up and out of your body, of your head. You just invite everything to land back, and you're holding it with your hands. You allow your breath to deepen and relax. Prolonging your out breath is a simple and very effective way of allowing your nervous system to start relaxing. So long exhalation. Maybe with the sound or sighing. And then you start drawing all of these energies downwards. You use your hands. You're relaxing your jaw and your neck, and you place your palms on your shoulders, and feel free to just offer some gentle massaging touch to relax the muscles that you are touching. And you keep relaxing, and you keep drawing the energies down, down, down into your heart area. And you may choose to do this mudra, Swabhava mudra, on your chest as you take a few deeper breaths into your heart center. Remember that wherever you put your attention, you will draw your energy there too. So if you really feeling your heart, or just attempting to stay inside of your chest, your energies are in your chest. And we'll continue further down, and you may want to stop at your solar plexus, and you just allow your diaphragm to relax. And you may again take as many breaths as you need here. And then you'll continue going further down towards your navel. And we'll allow the fingers move downward, creating downward facing triangle with the tips of the fingers landing at the pubic bone. So now all of the attention is inside of the lower tummy, where our womb space is, hara or shatantian. And you just let yourself stay there as you breathe consciously into your womb, into your hara. And feel free to repeat it again. Maybe you just want to do it a few times till you can really feel that all of your energies are being really welcomed back home into your womb, the source of your wisdom, the source of your power. Let me know how it goes for you, and I'm looking forward to sharing more practices and more information with you next week. Thank you.